Without me, what would the world of technology look like? You can't see me, yet I can peer into the heart of your products with a power that is unimaginable. Seamark technology, enhancing quality, increasing efficiency, awakening insight and discernment. In the X-ray inspection industry, where I am embedded, standing at the pinnacle of technology, scrutinizing the flow of electrons, feeling the heartbeat of products, and sensing the breath and pulse of products with every cycle. With penetrating X-ray scans, I deliver the best analysis possible while maintaining zero destruction of your products. I deliver my best to help you solve problems. Join me now in this breadth of intelligent inspection, feeling the infinite possibilities of technology. We hold dreams in our hearts, exploring cutting-edge technology. We exist, we thrive, we adapt, and we lead. We break out of constraints and norms, from optical aligned BGA rework equipment to fully automatic visual alignment, desoldering, tin removal, and rabeling. From offline and inline X-ray inspection embracing industrial CT, 3D reconstruction, and artificial intelligence software, to professional applications in new energy technologies, lithium power sources, and various general electronic products. We offer comprehensive inspection analysis of SMT, semiconductors, and castings. From continuously expanding the product matrix, dynamic roadmaps, and investment in innovative solutions and systems, to leading the new trends of industry developments by identifying future solutions in an ever-dynamic and demanding technological arena. Seamark Technology collaborates with many well-known domestic and foreign institutions to develop and innovate technology through research and innovation. We invest in and undertake key research and development projects from the National Science and Technology Department, including our own departments to develop intelligent digital X-ray solutions and 3D inline inspection for key components and systems. Seamark has over 300 certifications, including intelligent intellectual property rights, invention and utility model patents. We have introduced a doctorate team and established the postdoctoral innovation program in association with industry leaders and government programs practice base. All of this is done to help develop and meet the increasing demand of the technological environment of the 21st century, as well as the SMT industry in general. Intelligence changes the future, and we actively and proactively develop and promote development. The road ahead is long and highly competitive, but we keep moving, innovating, developing, exploring the way ahead through dynamic leadership, and excelling and leading in this technological world. Seamark Technology, a pioneer in the fields of X-ray inspection and BGA intelligent soldering, proudly the ambassador and holder of the title of the National's Little Giant. We strive to excel in the world of technology. We do not follow, we lead. From the microscopic to the macroscopic, we break boundaries, using the power of technology to create infinite possibilities. I am tiny and yet immense. I exist in reality, but also dream. Seamark Technology, a professional provider of X-ray inspection and BGA intelligent soldering solutions. Seamark, intuitive excellence in technology, excellence in innovation.